Stop it. Whoa, what? That was dramatic. Do you want to go back and live with the other cows? I didn't think so. You don't do bad stuff. Finally going to fix this big, where am I? Drop off right here. I don't know how to point with the camera. Anyway, this big drop off. What happens is we had to build this up. The land was so, whatever the word is right here, to put the barn, we had to build it up and level it out. And where we don't have gutters, I'm struggling with this. Where we don't have gutters, it all washes out, and you can see, hold on, let me turn the camera, how much it has washed out. So he's gonna go bring some of that big rock and put down here. What?
Smaller rock I got.
Oh, I got him. Sorry. Ew. Huh?
Whatever.
It was one of them giant horse flies. I know y'all heard me talk about First Saturday Lime before. But what I didn't tell you is if you sign up for their weekly subscription, you get a free gift every time. This is this month's free gift. What do you think? Come here, I saved your shavings for you. Go look in there. Yeah, go look in there. Look, go look in there. Go. Go look in your stall. Oh, yay. Whoa, so exciting. So exciting. Get them. Get them shavings. You can get all in your nose. You're going to get them all in Fern's water. How are we doing with the rocks? Uh-oh, I got you locked out down here. It's okay, Olive. How are we doing with the rocks, baby boy? Still a big jump over here. Watch yourself. Watch yourself, please. Okay, I'll just... Alright, I'll just go around. Nobody wants to move for me, that's for sure. What you think? Well, apparently they don't bother you. Oh, Fern, why do you run into me? Hank, they're not for you to eat, baby. Well, I guess you like them. What you think, Olive? The donkeys are in no way afraid of the rocks. They're walking all over them. They're so nosy. Oh, can you hear me now? Nothing. This is in our backyard. We're not clearing it out. He's just had some dead trees and stuff that he needed to take down. And just kind of cleaning up back here a little bit. Our house is right Right there. So it's just right here. Gotta move out of the way. He's gonna, come on, come on. There we go. He's gonna cut some more trees down. I already forgot which ones he's going to cut down. No, I'm gonna be in the way. Always in the way. I guess I'll be safe right here. I'm sure he'll tell me if not. What? Oh, well, I don't know. Am I okay right here? Well, I guess he's gonna push him down if he can. He's just gonna pick up the whole doggone tree. Uh-oh. Frankie, you giving my loves away.
This is my dad.
I've waited all year for this kind of weather. Well, not all year. I've waited all summer for this kind of weather. Look at me in my sweatshirt this morning. I'm gonna let the big girls out and then, hold on, let me switch the camera around. I think I'm gonna go try to catch the sunrise with Mama. She's got a real pretty spot in her yard for sunrises, and I might show you. Oh, everybody's sleeping this morning. They're enjoying the cool weather. Goodness. Hey, handsome. You like this cool weather? He said, I've never felt anything like this before. I was born in May. No. May? He was not born in May. Hank, when were you born? This morning kind of misled me as to how cool I thought it was gonna be today. It's a lot hotter than I was expecting. But I'm going to go pressure wash the chicken coop with the dang water hose at the chicken coop. Had a hole in it, so I gotta carry this one down there. Also, for the record, while we're here talking about water hoses, I've never in my life found one that I like, and I've probably tried them all. forgot to wash those buckets. Yes, I hear you. Well, that was fun. I saw the biggest spider I've ever seen in my life. And I'm also covered in chicken poop. I feel like such a goober in these shoes, by the way. I mean, really, I do. Ew, fly, get off of me. The good news is the doorknob spider's gone. So that's good. And the doors aren't green anymore. Also good. Looks good back here.
Okay.
Pretty tired. It is full. What you doing, Bugs?
Waiting for the carrots.
Yeah. Hey, Misty girl.
She's like, it feels so good back here. This ain't nothing to eat.
It does feel good back here. Is he getting it?
Mm-hmm. Now wait for Big Girl. You get Big Girl away. Come here, give me that banana. Give me that banana.
No!
You act like he's starving to
Boy!
death.
Everybody acts like they're starving around here.
He's getting the apple. Oh my.
I'm out here to check the apples, see if they're ready. But I'm kind of confused because they're both turning red, and I could have sworn one of these was a yellow delicious. How is it? Is it good?
Sweet and tangy.
Look like they got a disease. Oh, right, ready, yeah. They're still kind of hard. Oh. Is it good? Oh, is that a worm?
Uh-uh.
Oh. Hey, nosy.
Actually, they're good.
They are good. I still feel like there might not be...
They're done.
You think so?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see what these are doing. These are littler. Oh no. It's still a little hard. I don't think they're ready.
Alright.
Try this one.
How'd it taste?
Kind of chalky. Tried it.
Oh.
Oh, don't bite my finger. Oh, God.
You gotta get it. You can't just give her the whole thing. She's gotta have.
Oh, oops. Never mind.
I don't like them.
Almost fed you the Claire apple. Bite. Oh, that's a big bite. See, she said it's too hard, Dad. Oh, them's birdie teeth. Oh, Misty. Look at all these faces. I love all these faces. Here, look.
There's the bowl. Alright, go get that. Let me see that.
Aw, Hanky, did Mama steal your
She does.
apple?
Oh,
Ew.
I
Yeah, that's
heard something hit the ground.
pretty gross.
I didn't have nothing to left them.
Oh, I know.
They eat the whole damn tree. You wait till it grows over that fence.
Oh, I'm sure.
Alright, everybody got some and stuff. My little Hanky.
Hanky boy. Where you going, Nana?
What's that?
Do you still think we got something? It's a bag. It's your carrot bag. It's like, oh, I don't want that, then bye.
You know their name.
So of course I know my name.
Clara.
You still waiting for apples?
Come on, baby.
So I guess I'll just wait here till they fall off the tree. She's still out there waiting by the apple tree. CB! She's gonna tear down that fence trying to get the apples now. Oh, Clara. Yay.
Keep your gloves on.
Oh, okay.
2 or 3 strokes.
Okay.
Doesn't have to be hard.
Okay.
See the teeth?
Yeah.
This way. See right there? See this line?
Yeah. Oh, I can't stand that sound. That might be a problem.
3. Now you got to do all the ones that go this way, and then you got to get on the other side and do all the ones that go the other way.
I thought you did something different to chainsaw, but I've seen you sharpen them before, and I feel like that's not what you did.
Yes, it is. Don't put a lot of pressure, just get the angle right.
That ain't gonna chop your finger? That ain't gonna cut your finger?
I mean, it could.
Well, then you should move your finger.
That's why I'm telling you to wear gloves.
Oh. I don't remember what line he was talking about. Okay, I have no idea if I did that right, but I reckon he'll figure it out when the tree don't fall.
How do you feel?
I don't really know. I'm not sure I did it right. I guess you'll find out. How's my stack?
Pretty good.
Yeah?
Yep.
Wonder why these rings change colors like this. Like, what makes them different color towards the edge?
Like I saw, light zing.
What does zing mean? Oh my god. You're stupid. Why do you like the little baby chainsaw?
Because it's light.
Don't it get hung up in the wood a lot though?
No. You just kind of overdo the chainsaw, the chain. The big one would be really, it'd be like, because of the weight,
Uh-huh.
and it's got a big motor on it.
And what does the little one do? Oh.
Don't touch the wood yet. Go ahead, pull through. Here's the first one up.
There we go. Oh, squeeze on in there. Get some happy cow butts.